What's up guys, it's Irvin here, WeBreak. I'm going to teach you guys how to do a Valdez, aka the monkey flip. So the main thing that you want to do is start in zero position and you want to have one hand on the ground. Okay, so for example, I'm going to be in zero position. I'm going to put my left hand on the ground, right hand in the sky. And if I'm going to do this, then that means my left leg is going to lead. Okay, so I'm going to switch hands, okay? And now, since my right hand is on the ground, my right hand and my right leg are going to lead. Cool? So what we're going to do is just a little jump. I'm going to do it from the side so you guys can see. Starts like this, right leg out, and I'm going to jump, stand up, B-boy freeze. Okay? One more time. Remember, zero position, one hand on the ground, same hand, same leg. My right hand's on the ground, my right leg is gonna jump over, okay, like so. Cool, sound good? For the opposite side, I'm gonna put my left hand on the ground, my left leg's gonna come out, and this time, I'm gonna jump over to my left. So you can do this move from either hand. Cool? Right here. All right, one more time. Zero position, left hand on the ground, left leg out, going over. Make sure when you kick, your head is gonna follow through, okay? So follow through your head look. Should be landing with the foot that's leading, all right? So I'm gonna turn on some music and show you guys how we can use the Valdez, AKA the monkey flip in our sets. That's the Valdez, guys. Peace out.